Hey Green Mamas, I have a really fun, crafty, organizational type project for you today. And it's to help find those recipes that you cook over and over again out of a cookbook, and you just want to be able to put your finger on it and find it right away. And it's using one of my favorite craft supplies of all time, which is washi tape. And you're going to just make these beautiful cookbook pages where you line them up with washi tape and it turns it right to your favorite recipe. So this is simple. Let me show you how. Okay, I want to give you just a quick close-up of what these recipes look like in this inside of your cookbook. You can see how brightly colored that washi tape is and how it just marks the side of your page just enough so that if you're looking at it and you needed to flip to a recipe, it's pretty easy to just open it up. I'm kind of doing this backwards, but just open it up and find, oh yeah, this is my favorite turkey burger recipe because I've got it nicely marked with the washi tapes. Okay, I really want to mark this page that's called Snacks in Seconds, and keep it simple, sweetie. So what I want to do is I like to, when I open my book, I want to be able to flip that page and know that the page that I wanted is lined on this side. So I'm going to do it on the left side of my cookbook. And if you've never used washi tape before, my gosh, it is so simple. It's like a post-it note in that you can reposition the tape. It's not super sticky. And so you can remove these if you end up like, oh, I just want to take the washi tape off my book. You absolutely can, especially if you want to go sell it later. So I am just going to take a strip of washi tape, try not to cover up the printing there. It tears super easily, like that. And then, let's see, so I stuck a couple pages together, but I just want to show you, that's how easy washi tape peels apart. And then you just want to fold it over. And that's it. So like I said, kind of crafty, kind of organizational, really fun, super colorful, and I would love to know if you do this project, or if you have a simple solution like this, leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much.